we're doing Nirvana Sappy, and it's going out for all these lovely Patreons. Thanks indeed for your support, peeps. This was a vote that won last month. We've got another 2 running this month for Bush and Silverchair. Exciting stuff. Head over there and join in if you want to be part of the action. Now, for this one, we've got to tune our entire guitar down half a step. So, E flat, A flat, you know, etc., right? Gear-wise, I'm using the Carl Longbottom Fulvia. These pickups are worth a shout-out, actually. They're called Sunbird pickups by Sunbear, which is like a one-man band out of the UK who makes incredible pickups. So clean tone is my Morgan MVP 66. For that stuff. Lovely, isn't it? And then I'm using the Hot Toddy by JSA Effects for the dirt. So on with the first riff. Not much to this. I'm going to show you the solo too, so stay tuned. We have... So slowly we have down, down, up, down, up. But then with all your fingers off, right? Which is a bit of a signature thing for Kurt. When he's changing between strings, he'll keep strumming. So you'll end up with like the last 8th note will be just open strings, right? Okay, bit of a theme, right? So then the second bar, we've got... Straightforward, right? Then we go to an A, same rhythm as the first bar. And then we have... So down, down, up, down, up, down, up. But that one there, that 4th one, bit staccato, right? Then we put the distortion on and play it again. Like that, right? Another 3 times and then you're into the chorus. Chorus is cool, we go back to the D5. But then we're going to stick here for a bar, and then we go to the G for a bar. So we have... And then you go back into the verse clean, right? So all we're doing there is... The D5, as I said, for 1 bar. And then we go around this. So we're going... Change to the G. And then round, right? So 3 times of that, and the last time... A rings out for 2 bars. That's pretty much it for the riffs, right? You're going to do the verse again clean. Do that 4 times. Chorus then, I think goes into the distortion there. Etc. Ending on... And then we go into this solo. Solo's cool. First part goes like this. Like that. And then the next bit goes. You know, etc. Right? So, let's wind back a bit. Slowly then. It's quite simple, so I'm going to whiz through this. We have... First riff. Second bar then. And then we have this half-step bend. Okay, I'm switching there between my first and third fingers. And then... Okay, so we've got a half step bend. And while it's held, you play that. All right, then we go. That's really melodic. That's great. That's cool, isn't it? This might be my favourite Kurt solo, actually. And then we have. So we've got a run then, right? And then slides. So then we have this part. That's the next 3 bars. So again, once we arrive here, we've got this slide, right? Great movement, isn't it? So we do. So we've got a half step bend and release. And then you continue that little run up there on the next string up, right? Watch the phrasing here. So it's 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. And then we get. Okay. So that half step bend. So we've got a grace note pull off is what I hear anyway from 14 to 12. So we have 3, 4. Pretty straightforward. Then we have. That's quite quick, that bit. Yeah? And then. Okay, again. That's pretty straightforward. Hammer on. And then. Series of slides, right? And then you're back into the chorus. Same as before, right? You end on the A. Another verse. 4 of those. Back into the chorus again, and this is the last time now. Slight variance. You go from the D5. When you get to this bit, though, you're going to do this 4 times, I think. It's an extra 1 time round. So 4 of those, right? And then. Ends like that. Pretty straightforward stuff. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again soon.